Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to calculate the factorial of a given number. We'll see the demo. Here I'm having a variable n equal to integer of input of enter the number. The input statement display the string enter the number in the user's console. When user enter a number, the input statement receives it as a string and in function convert it as an integer and storing it in the variable n. Here I am initializing a value fact equal to 1. I am writing a for loop for I in range 1 comma n plus 1 colon. For is the keyword for the for loop. I is the loop variable. In operator connect the loop variable I with the list generated by the range function. The in operator connect the loop variable I with the list generated by the range function. Range function will generate a list from the beginning number to end minus 1. So I need a list from 1 to n. That's why I am giving the range as a 1 comma n plus 1. If we give n plus 1, the list will generate it from the last minus 1. That means n plus 1 minus 1 equal to n. A list from 1 to n will get generated. Now I am writing fact equal to fact star I. The indentation is given. That means the calculation fact equal to fact star I is within the scope of the for loop. That means in the body of the for loop. So here in the first iteration, I will take the value 1 from the list and perform fact equal to fact star I. That means 1 into 1 equal to 1. In the next iteration, I will take 2. It will multiply with the existing value of fact into 2. 2 into 1 equal to 2. In the next iteration, I will take the value 3 and multiply here. It will go up to n iteration. In the nth iteration, I will take the value n and multiply with the variable fact equal to fact star I. That means the factorial of the number n will get calculated. So factorial means from 1 to the given number, we have to calculate the product. That means multiplication of all the numbers. So that logic is carried out in this loop. Now I am writing a print statement. After the loop, I am writing a print statement. Print the factorial of comma. Here I am giving the variable n comma followed by is colon followed by the variable fact. I will get output the string factorial of followed by the value in the variable n is colon is the string followed by the factorial calculated in the variable fact. Now we will execute the program and check the result. Enter the number. I am giving 5. So factorial of 5 is 120. This is correct. So 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 4 is 24, 24 into 5 is 120. And the product of 1 to 5 is 120. That means multiplication of 1 to 5 is 120. The program is working perfectly. That will work. The program is working perfectly. That will work for any input. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.